Welcome to Moo Math and Science. In this video, let's go over how to find the median for a stem and leaf plot. And so let's get started. So here is a stem and leaf plot from these numbers right here. Okay, here's the key, and we know that this is tens, this is ones from the key. Also, if you count, we have 12, which is a even number, so I know that we're going to average the two. So let's get started. I think the easiest way is to just start marking them off. Start from lowest, which is 11, to greatest, which is 55. Okay, so we'll continue. You have to be careful here. Okay, so now we will move to here, 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 and we get down to these two numbers. I know that since it's even, I'm going to have to average the two numbers. So remember, looking at the key, it's not 2 and 1, it's 32 and 41. When we add these two, because we're taking an average, that gives me 73. And then I'm going to divide 73 by 2, and that gives me, as a median, 36 and 5/10. Now let's look at another example. And if you count, we have an odd number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I know with an odd number, we're going to get a number right in the middle. Here's the key. So we know that this is 1 and this is tenths. So let's cross them off like we did last time. Start with smallest, go to largest. So we've got cross these out. Then let's cross these out. Now we go here, and we go here, and we're down to one number. Looking at the key, I know this is 5 and 0/10. So there's the median. I hope that was helpful.